Good morning everyone. My name is Harshit Mittal, and today I will be talking about an important professional skills called executive presence and why plays such a crucial role in the workplace. In today's corporate environment, technical knowledge and academic qualifications are important, but they are not enough on their own. Many professionals have excellent knowledge and strong ideas. They are sometimes overlooked for leadership roles. One of the major reasons behind this is lack of executive presence. So first of all, understand what executive presence actually means. Executive presence is the ability of professionals to inspire confidence, credibility, and trust in workplace environment. It is the quality that makes believe that you are capable of learning and communicating effectively, representing the organization in a professional way. So executive presence is not just appearance or dressing well. It is a perfect combinations of confidence, communication skills, emotion control, body language, and professional behavior. In simple terms, executive presence is about how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you react and to challenges, how you are confident while presenting ideas in front of others. Now let's understand the importance of this in workplace with example. Imagine a situation in a company meeting where team lead to present a solution to a business problem. Now two employees are presenting these ideas, and first employee has a very good idea, but when presenting it they speak very softly, avoid eye contact, nervous, struggle to explain their points clearly. Second employee on the other hand have similar idea but present it confidently, maintain eye contact, explain their points in structured way, and respond calmly in front of managers. Even though both the employees have similar ideas, the managers are more likely to trust with the one with confidence, clarity, and professionalism. This is the difference what make we call executive presence. Now let us understand executive how it affect your image in workplace. People from different background, they judge very quickly the way you speak, present yourself in meetings, the way you handle situations. It all build your professional image, and it appears like you are reliable, more competent, you are mature individual who people can often trust because others believe you can handle situations more responsibly. For example, if a manager has to someone to present a project to a senior leadership or a client, they will usually choose someone who communicates well and remain calm under pressure, represent team professionally. Executive presence also has a strong impact on the communication and confidence. Like professionals with the executive presence, they can ideas very confidently and listen carefully, think about others, and also express their opinions respectfully. Confidence does not come being aggressive or dominating in conversation. It means calm, having clear communication, having thoughtful presence of mind. For example, in a team discussion, someone with executive presence will not interrupt others or speak emotionally. Instead, they will listen different point of views, present their ideas logically and respectfully. This create a positive impression, build credibility among colleagues and managers. Another important aspect is leadership perception. In many organizations, leadership potential is not judged on the basis of technical capabilities. Manager observe the behavior during the meeting, how they handle the pressure, how they interact with the colleagues. Employees who demonstrate executive presence are often seen as future leaders even at early stage of their careers. For example, imagine a situation where project faces a sudden problem or deadline or pressure. One employee may panic and become stressed while another remains calm, organizes the team, focus on solving problems step by step. The second person naturally appears more capable of leadership because they demonstrate confidence, calm, composure during difficult situations. This is another example of executive presence in action. Executive presence like also plays a major role in career growth. Like in most organizations, like promotions, leadership opportunities are not given on basis of technical skills only. Companies prefer who represent the organization confidently and with different stakeholders. So professional with strong executive presence are given such opportunities such as leading projects, interact with clients, present ideas to senior management, even moving to leadership position. The good news is that executive presence is not something people are born with. It's a skill we can develop, we can practice and have awareness of these things. These are it's very simple and ways professional can improve their executive presence. Like first, maintain good posture and confident body language, standing or sitting like straight, they maintaining the eye contact and immediately improve your perception towards others. Secondly, focus on clear and structured communication before speaking in meetings or presentations. It help you like organize thoughts, so you have your ideas, so it is easy to understand. Third is like practice active listening. Leaders with strong executive presence like listen carefully before responding, which show professionalism. Fourth is remaining calm and composed during difficult situations. Professionalism who stays emotional, they don't overpower their emotion. And over time, these small habits help individual develop a strong executive presence. So to conclude, executive presence is essential and a professional skills that help us in communication and help us for to build the future leadership in workplace, and also play a major role in building credibility, gaining trust and advancing you in your career. Developing executive presence help professionals communicate their ideas effectively, represent their team, and they can become future leaders within an organization. Thank you.